Hello there, hope you are doing well. So we have a text here and the directions for questions is the passage below is accompanied by a set of questions. Choose the best answer to each question. Well, let's go to the question here. The question points out which of the following best describe the primary region behind the cooptation of words discussed in the passage. Now look into the options which are given here. The first option say the lack of clear definition for certain words. Second, the diversity of concepts associated with words. Third, the misuse of words in intellectual traditions. And the fourth one is the desire to simplify complex concept. So if you look into this particular question, the idea of the passage is what? Now, at the beginning of it, it tries to introduce the word called nature and sustainability, and pointed that can have diverse and contested conceptual landscapes. And it is this diversity and the existence of multiple, sometimes conflicting meanings and interpretation that lead to struggles over the definition and uses of these words, right? Uses of these words. So the text also highlights what? How words can encompass a range of concepts. And this diversity is nothing but a central factor in their cooptation for various purposes. So let's analyze each of the question or each of the option and which of the option presents the idea which I pointed here. The first option says the lack of a clear definition for certain words. So this option is not the primary reason discussed in the passage. While the passage acknowledges that words may have multiple meaning and contested interpretation, isn't it? Multiple meaning and contested interpretation. So it also points out it does not attribute the cooptation of words mainly to a lack of clear definition, right? Instead, it focuses on the what? Richness, right? Richness and and diversity of concepts associated with words. So therefore, you can point out the first option is distorting the region. So, or it is not called as the primary region behind the cooptation. Look at the second option. The second option says the diversity of concepts associated with words. Yes, this is the appropriate one because this diversity is a central factor in that cooptation for various purposes. Isn't it? Now, we find our answer, but let's look at the other option, option 3. Option 3 stated the misuse of words in intellectual tradition. If I look into the option 3, and on the basis of the passage does mention that words can be coopted, right? The word can be coopted for different uses, but it does not primarily attribute this to the misuse of words in intellectual traditions. The primary emphasis is on how words can legitimately, right? How words can legitimately encompass a variety of concept, isn't it? Variety of concepts. So leading to struggles over the meaning and uses. So therefore, it is to draw the misuse of words in intellectual tradition is an incorrect option, so hence eliminated. So option 4, the desire to simplify complex concept. So this option is also not the primary reason discussed in the passage. The passage focuses on the, like I pointed, complexities and richness of words. meaning and how these complexities can lead to debates and struggles over their definition. It doesn't suggest that co-optation occurs due to a desire to simplify complex concepts. Simplify complex concept. Complex concepts. So hence we find out our answer would be option 2, right? Option 2. I hope you understood the text as well as the question's answer. Thank you.